9 3/4, and then you'll need 2 of those and 6 of these and 9 of these, which is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Okay, super easy. So at the end of the last video, I showed you what 4 of them look like together, and then this will be our block for the month. And then of course you want to make an extra one so you can do something else with it. I said I was going to make a pot holder out of the one block that I did make. I put 3 layers of 100% white cotton batting in between, and then a flannel on the back, and then I just kind of stitched around where the cross was, and that's that. So to aid me in doing the binding a little bit easier, I just kind of did a little zigzag right across on the bottom here, just to kind of keep everything together. When you're trying to go through, you know, a few layers, it could be a little bit, you know, flippy floppy. So I just kind of did a little zigzag to keep it all together. So, and I'll finish that up. Isn't that cute? Perfect little pot holder. And like I said, just use 100% cotton for that, okay? So that was our previous block. That's January. So go check that video out. And now we're going to put together February. So we're just going to go across the top and sew along, okay? Not complicated at all. I got it on there to go for. There. And then this one here. Just line it up. Okay, and then on one of these, let's put one on the side, on the other side. Okay. Just like that. And that makes up our first row. Once we get this on. Spread it open. We're just going to add that to our square. Okay. And that's row 1, all done. Okay. And then we'll put that there. Let's work on row 2. Now the main color for these blocks is going to be blue. Of course, I've got blue and then blue, white with 2 different colored blues as the plaid for that one. For this one here, and I think it looks really nice together. Actually, looks pretty. Okay, and then here, going to take in the other one, add it on to the other side. Once we get this one sewn together, I'll show you what 4 look like. And this would make a lovely, just as a quilt block, just keep building and building and building for your quilt, right? So I like this one. You could also do it in different colors and make it look like a bit of a weave. Be like plaid or something. You're almost making like the little plaid that we have fabric we're using. Okay. Add this to here. Okay. And then this one to here. Now you want to give these 3 right here just a quick little press. Okay. And I've been using one of my project bags to keep everything together. Okay. Just keeping me organized in my progress here. I'll finish that one off after. Okay. It's a gorgeous sunny day, a little chilly, but that's okay. That's what we expect at the beginning of February in Canada. Okay. And then once we get those counterparts sewing on. Got a beautiful little project. Okay. So here, line this one up. Okay. And of course, whenever you can, try and put your seams to the dark side. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't always work that way, so okay, flatten that out. And then you kind of want to make sure these are visually lining up, these little spots here. They should, pretty darn close. There. Flip this one this way. Okay, there we go. That's not bad. Not bad. Line this one up too. Sew it on down. And then the last one right on top of there. Okay, like I say, you just want to try and line them up the best you can. If you find that one's way off, then you could always do a little seam ripping and line it back up. Or to a position you're more happier with it. Sometimes if it looks way off, even just moving it an eighth, if you can get it an eighth closer, but it's only like an eighth off, it doesn't. You don't really notice it. The eye doesn't really notice it. It thinks it's close enough. Okay, so there is our beautiful block. Isn't that gorgeous? And then just give that a press, and it should measure out to be about 9.5-ish. You can give it a little trim before you putting them together, or keep it just the way it is. It's up to you. So you might want to square them up just a smidge. Okay. And then here is what 4 look like together. Okay, isn't that pretty? Like I say, you could just keep going and going and going and going and going, and you'd have this awesome little like woven type of quilt project. So, and of course this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to turn into that one. Maybe I'll just make the odd blocks or pot holders, and 12 people are getting pot holders for Christmas. That's the fun and the joy of it, right? So that is our February blue block of the month. Hope you like it. Hopefully it challenges you, maybe getting some of your seams lined up and getting accurately put together. So have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you tomorrow, Saturday at 1 p.m. where we're going to be starting our new country garden project by hexadoodlequilts.com, hexadoodle.com. Check her out there. She's also on Twitch as Hexadoodle Quilt. Okay, so take care, everybody. We'll see you soon. Big hugs.